So here you can see that I got a Google slide, and right now I'm using the default template. Let's say I want to update the template, so if I were to create a new slide, I get the same layout. So over here, what I want to do is, let's say I want to change this to the color red. So I'm just going to change that to red. And for lessons at your convenience, let's say I want to go ahead and then I want to, let's say, center align this. And then I want to change this text color to white. And then I want to apply, let's say, green as a background right here, just like this. So now if I were to go over here and create a new title slide, you can see that it reverts back to the old style. Let's say I do not want that. So what I can do is I can simply update to the new theme right here. So I can just update that out by right clicking on it, and over here you can see update theme is an option. So I'm just going to click on update theme, and you can see that it says updated in theme slide 1 changed right here. So if I were to go on the master slide, you can see that the change has been made. But for the second one, you can see that it remains as it is. So I'm just going to go back, right click on this and click on update in theme as well. And now if I were to go over here, now you can see that the update has been made in the master slide, just like that. So let me just close this out, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go around over here, and you can see that the title slide has been changed. So I can simply click on it, and there you go. That is the title slide right there. So if I were to create title slide again, you can see that it follows this pattern. If I were to go and click on others, it does not follow that one. So I do have to make update on that one. So I'm just going to go around, and let's say I want the fill color to be this right here. I can simply right click and click on update in theme. So once I do this, you'll be able to see that the 2-column theme has been changed out in the master slide. So if I were to go back right here and click on the 2-column, you can see that the change is here. And that is how you can update theme with your own objects directly from the main slide inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.